Stubborn carpet stains can really get you steamed. If you rent a carpet cleaner or hire pricey pros, you'll pay through the nose. Introducing the Manual Carpet Shampooer. Now you can clean rugs yourself. It's the easiest, affordable solution to combating carpet stains. Eliminate eyesores from your carpet and rugs without bending or getting down on your hands and knees. The Manual Carpet Shampooer is light, only 3 pounds. Plus, it's compact and cordless. No wrestling with tangled cords, no expensive electricity, no batteries to replace. And it's so easy to use. Simply fill with water and the included carpet shampoo, then press the button on the handle to spray. You're ready to roll for a deep carpet cleaning. Absorbent foam pads soak up extra moisture. It's super for spot cleaning or cleaning an entire room. Stains disappear in minutes without the deafening drone of a rental machine. You'll be finished in the time it would take just to lug one home. When you're done, the telescoping handle retracts easily for compact storage, and it's always handy for the next job. Order the Manual Carpet Shampooer today.